What's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I usually discuss men's fashion, lifestyle, and everything in between. But a couple months ago, I decided to upload a video where I discuss my CPA exam journey and how I managed to pass the CPA exam. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description if you want to check that video out. Since uploading that video, I've gotten so many different messages from you guys about the exam, the accounting profession, just everything around accounting, which I'm so happy about because I'm so passionate about the subject. So to kick off this series, I thought I would go over the 5 major keys to help me pass CPA exam that I think could benefit you. If that sounds awesome, let's hop into it. The first major key to passing the CPA exam is planning the exam date correctly. With the CPA exam, I feel that people either give themselves way too little time to study or way too much time. Remember guys, don't run yourself too thin and don't stretch it out too far. The CPA exam is a sprint, not a marathon. So learn what you need to learn and get on with your life. So my typical recommendation for timing the exam is to give yourself, and I can only speak for Becker users when I say this, is to give yourselves 1 week per chapter and 1 to 2 weeks to review. So going back to our previous example, let's just say you're prepping for the BEC exam and your BEC book has 7 chapters in it. You take the exam in 8 weeks. That would be 1 week per chapter and 1 week for final review. This will give you plenty of time to study, will avoid any last minute studying, and it's very doable with a full-time job. The second major key to passing the CPA exam is to stay focused.
Focus. 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 Focus.
I feel a huge mistake people make when they start prepping for this exam is they don't take it serious enough. Once you schedule your exam in the time frame that we just discussed, you officially entered what I like to call exam mode. Exam mode means you pass up parties, beer, girlfriend, the movies, and any other thing that makes you happy. Now that's a bit extreme, but in all honesty, guys, when people ask you out and you're in exam mode, this is what I want you to say. Okay, you ready? Wait for it. No.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
At this point in your life, the CPA exam in exam mode is the most important thing in your life. Once you're in exam mode, it's a sprint to the finish line, so buckle down and get to work. The third major key to passing the CPA exam is to be patient and enjoy the process. In exam mode and during your prep, there are gonna be days when you feel absolutely terrible. You're not answering any of the multiple questions right, the lectures aren't making sense, your girlfriend just left you, it's an absolute chaos and disaster in your life. When all of this happens, and believe me when I tell you, it will, this is where I need you to take a step back, take a deep breath, relax, believe in yourself, and keep crushing it. So take this from experience. When I was studying for the BEC exam, everything that could go wrong in my life was going wrong, and variance analysis was kicking my ass. I could not understand it. I was so frustrated. I felt defeated, but that's when I took a step back, I analyzed what I was doing wrong, and I kept crushing it. So be patient and enjoy the process. The fourth major key to passing the CPA exam is making your own flashcards and carrying them everywhere with you. Making my own flashcards and carrying them everywhere with me is the one thing I think helped me the most. Any topic I didn't fully understand or couldn't fully grasp, I made a flashcard for it. I'm not sure why or the scientific reasoning behind something, but once you read something, repeat it to yourself and write it down in your own words, it becomes committed to memory. And I think the best way to make your flashcards is to go over any topic you don't fully understand and write the question down in your own words, how you understand it, and then on the backside, write down the answer, like I said, in your own words, how it makes sense to you. Now, once you have your full deck of flashcards of things you don't fully understand, I needed you to carry them everywhere with you. So now, when you're in the restroom doing your business, instead of scrolling through Instagram and dumb stuff, you're gonna be going through your flashcards. When you're standing in line at the grocery store, instead of wasting time on your phone, on your emails, whatever it is, you're gonna be reviewing your flashcards. Taking your flashcards everywhere with you will turn any downtime into extra study time. The fifth major key to passing the CPA exam, and in my opinion, the most important, is to make time, not excuses. Once you're in exam mode, you need to set goals for yourself and make time to study. Setting goals for yourself will keep you on track, motivated, and focused. Let's say, for example, your goal was to get through chapter 5 of the FAR book this week, but you had a crazy busy work week, so you only have 2 days now to get through the whole chapter. But your buddy just hit you up saying he's throwing a massive party on the weekend. Guess where you're gonna be at on Saturday night? Yeah, that's right, you guessed it. You got a date with governmental accounting. Make time to study and do not let anything get in the way of you and this exam. Learn to say no to people and put your own personal interests as your #1 priority. Alright guys, there you have it. These are my 5 major keys to passing the CPA exam. I highly recommend you start implementing these steps in your exam process, and I guarantee they will absolutely change your life. Total side note, but if you made it this far in the video, I plan to make videos all around the CPA exam, the accounting profession, and just things I wish I would have known when I started my career in public accounting. And also, recruiting season is upon us, so if you have any questions around how to prep your resume, how to get ready for an interview, how to be ready for Meet the Firms, please let me know in the comment section below, and I would love to make a video on any topic you guys want me to talk about. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. If this video helped you out in any way, please go ahead and hit that like button below. And also, guys, don't forget to add me on Instagram at Bryan_Carreto, where I post weekly men's fashion inspiration pictures where hopefully you can find some inspiration for the office or that date you're gonna go on after the exam. All right, guys, till next time, work hard, dress well. Peace.